Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, I just wanted to show you and get your thoughts on this new feature that comes with Quso.ai, which used to be Vidyo.ai, which was Vidyo.ai. Now they have a new feature, which is the AI influencer, as you could see here. And I just wanted to take a look at it, get your ideas, get your thoughts on how it works. And so once you're logged into the app, you go and select AI influencer here. And as you could see, under AI influencer, you have a bunch of
Hey there.
Hey there. Hey there.
Hey there. Hey there. Hey there.
apparently up to 80.
There. Hey there. Hey there.
Hey
Think about
there.
that.
Hey there.
But is it believable?
Hey there.
Is it believable? So what we're doing here, what I've done is actually used one of them so you can get to see the output and make the conclusions on your own to see if they look good. So in this instance, you have the opportunity to generate your AI script. You could briefly summarize your script in a few words, but I just added our own script, which is about X's new Grok being available for everybody. Because when you look at this, it almost seems like it gives you the Newsy vibe where you could put out updates and not always have to sit in front of the camera when you have all these options for you. So we put this script in. You have our script here. You click continue. It tells you the amount of credits and then you generate the video. And after it's processed, it comes out looking like this. So now it's less than a minute. We are going to make this a landscape visual. So let's play it and see.
Breaking news from the internet's favorite roller coaster, X, formerly known as Twitter, is making waves again. Their AI chatbot Grok is now available to everyone. No premium subscription needed, just pure unfiltered AI SaaS and smarts for all. Grok is no ordinary bot. It deciphers cryptic posts, dishes out snarky comebacks if you're feeling spicy, and even turns brainstorming into cool visuals with its Aurora image generator. Oh, and it has an unhinged fun mode because apparently AI now comes with attitude.
Which is quite funny. So not a lot of attitude here that I see, but could it still be useful? I don't know. So, but you also have the opportunity to edit it. I just can tell looking at the speech, the way the mouth is moving, that it's not just as totally believable yet. Maybe from a distance, you could be watching this on your phone and not be able to tell that. And maybe because it's on a desktop is where I get that vibe. But you also have the opportunity to do subtitles, text effects, styles. You could still edit it actually, which is really cool. But I just thought it was awesome. As soon as I saw it, I went to go check it out. I would say it was great work with effort, but maybe you need to check out more of the AI influencers that they have, and maybe they're more believable. But I went straight for this guy, and I say, hey, it looks good, but there's still some work to be done. But you can let me know your thoughts. Tools like these are helpful because you do not always have to sit in front of the camera to get out good content. Now, in editing it, like I said, you could change so much, which is still good and very complementary to the AI tool when you think about it. So you could choose any of these and it changes your style. You can also go to the subtitles and actually add more stuff here. So breaking news from the X for here example, and you realize it's a mistake and you could delete that right there. So that's really cool too, something to complement it, just like you would expect from a tool like this. You can also add your elements still. You could add your logo right here, see that, and still play.
News from the internet's favorite roller coaster, X, formerly known as Twitter.
And you could still move this around. So however you want to do it. And you can always change the portrait. Look at that. We go back to landscape there. All these are still elements that you could use. Your outros, you could still add to the end. Now, let's see if you can shorten the video. And look at that. You have the opportunity to do that. And let's see if it actually stops there when it plays.
Is the future of social interaction or just bots crashing the party? When AI generates the posts, comments, and likes, are we really connecting
It's supposed to stop
or just
here.
playing social media karaoke? Grok has its perks for trend analysis and creative tools. Sure.
Yep, it does. Right there, right on the money. Right on the dot. So that's good. And then you could add your media and you could also add their media that they have. So as you want to add it, you can for B-roll still on it. So it's still absolutely useful for everything that you need it for. I'm going to delete that. And then you could still add new text actually, where you can edit and enlarge launches. There we go. So yeah, that is so awesome. Different ways that you can adjust this and everything still
Breaking
plays
news from the internet's favorite roller coaster, X, formerly
correctly. Now, I don't believe there's a way you could remove the background, and I'm not sure the magic tools that make you cut scenes. Yep, they do not exist here. Remove silence and filler words because that's probably already programmed in there. Now let's take a look at the background again and see if it changes. If we pick a background, no, unless we move it. Yeah, so the background of the AI character never changes. And if you noticed earlier, there was a character moving in the back here.
Twitter is making waves again. Their AI chatbot Grok is now available to everyone. No premium subscription needed.
Saw that. You see that? Just to make it flow. So no, you can't remove the background. And can you still generate a description, which is a cool feature? Let's see if tool is intuitive enough to be able to do that. So let's see how that goes. And we'll actually use X as the platform that we're going to generate a description for. Breaking news. X, formerly known as Twitter, is making waves again with their AI chatbot. So totally, absolutely still recognizes what the AI influencer is saying here. So, wow, many cool ways that you could use this tool to be able to use it for updates that you need to put out there, that you just want to include a character, or let's just say you wanted to add a different character to complement your campaigns, whether it's a female person or a male person.
Hey there. Hey there.
This could be absolutely helpful. So once again, go check it out. Let me know your thoughts. And what I'll do is I'll attach the full video, minute clip at the end of this video so you could go see exactly how it turned out to be. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you could always get to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.
Breaking news from the internet's favorite roller coaster, X, formerly known as Twitter, is making waves again. Their AI chatbot Grok is now available to everyone. No premium subscription needed. Just pure, unfiltered AI sass and smarts for all. Grok is no ordinary bot. It deciphers cryptic posts, dishes out snarky comebacks if you're feeling spicy, and even turns brainstorming into cool visuals with its Aurora image generator. Oh, and it has an unhinged fun mode because apparently AI now comes with attitude. But here's the big question. Is this the future of social interaction, or just bots crashing the party? When AI generates the posts, comments, and likes, are we really connecting, or just playing social media karaoke? Grok has its perks for trend analysis and creative tools, sure, but replacing real quirky humans? It might just miss the mark. Bots are helpful sidekicks, but they're no substitute for the chaos and charm of genuine human interaction. Revolutionary tech or a quirky experiment? Either way, Grok is here to shake things up. Are you ready to see what this chatbot can do?